Hello everyone, so welcome to another exciting tutorial. So in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you 6 secret Canva comic fonts which you can use it on your design. So let's start with it. So I am choosing Instagram post as my canvas. So canvas choosing is not the primary requirement here because I need to share with you only the fonts here and how you can use it. So to let you know that all the fonts which I will be showing here are all available in Canva Pro, and if you have a free account you can't use them. So in order to use them you need to purchase a Canva Pro account. Okay, so we need to come to the elements here. Okay, so let's start with it. So I will be choosing first font, which is here, which is, as you can see, this one. This is known as the ice cream cone slime melt text. Okay, so this is the first font, which is a comic font, and you can use this in your canvas. As you can see, it's a very good design, and the main thing is that if you zoom it, there is no pixelating. As you can see, many a times we find that some elements get pixelated while we zoom it, but as you can see, it is not getting pixelated, and it is quite good to see that the images or the fonts which we can use from here are not getting pixelated, and we can crop it according to our requirements also. Okay, so this is the first font here. And before going to the second font, I want to say to you that if you stay till the end, I will share with you a bonus font with all of you. So stay till the end to find out the bonus font. Okay, so this is the second one. As you can see here, so this font name is Graffiti Comics Letter Fonts. Okay, so let's bring to the canvas, and the specialty of this font is you can change the colors. As you can see, there are 3 colors: this black, this orange, and this is white. So you can change any of them. Like for this, let's change it to the pink color, and you can see it's quite easily changed. Let's change it to white and see, and it is working properly. So let's work on the white and see. So this is also working properly, and it's great to see it here. So the second font is done. So let's come to the third font. So third one is here, which is a dinosaur alphabet letter font, and the font goes like this here. And let's bring to the canvas here, and again you can see you can change the colors, and you can see it here that you can change 5 colors. Here you can work with 5 colors and you can make your own designs, and it is very cool comic font. Of all the fonts, I like this font a lot because it is creating a great cartoon comic effect. So this is the third font here. So let's go to the fourth set or the fourth font. So this is the font. You can see it is 3D fox fur letter, but you can see the fur effect. And if you have seen the movie Monsters, which was in 3D available, the characters were all kind of this fur type looking, and this was quite popular. The movie Monsters Inc. Was quite popular that time, and this font is quite cool to use it. Again, you can crop this. You can't change the color because it's fully in 3D, but you can crop it and use it for your own requirements. Okay, so the fourth one is done. Let's come to the fifth font, which is this one, and it is, as you can see, it is a graffiti brush letter. It is the graffiti brush letter. So as you can see, you can change 4 of the colors here. As you can see, it's a gradient effect which is coming here. If I zoom it, you can see that is a gradient effect which is coming here. You can just change the color and work on the gradients, like for example, let's make it red to green, and then to let's make this deep pink color to yellow. So this is another gradient effect, as you can see, which is working here, and you can change it to your design. You can make your own color combination and use it for your own design. Okay, so it's time to choose our sixth font. And this is the sixth font, and as you can see, the name here is another graffiti font. As you can see, is a graffiti or street font, as the creator stated it. So let's bring it to the canvas, and as you can see, you can change 4 of the colors in this font also, and let's change it to something like purple, and let's make it yellow. So this is working quite well, and here you can also make your own color combinations, and you can change all 4 of them, and you can work on your own designs. Okay, so 6 fonts are done, and it's time for the 7th font, or the bonus font. So let's start with it. So let's make the 7th font. Let's meet the 7th font, which is this one, and it is another graffiti comics letter font, and let's bring to the canvas. And as you can see, you can change only these 2 colors. You can't work on this graffiti part, but there is a twist, which is if you go to the magic recommendations, you can just find the different color combinations here. Like for letter A, you can use this one or this one or this one. So 3 color combinations, or the 3 gradient part is you are finding it. For every alphabet you are using it here, so you are getting it. And as you can see, all the fonts are in pro section. So to use the font, you need to have a pro account, otherwise you can't use them. So hope you like this tutorial, and for more tutorials like this, please subscribe to the channel, and make sure you like the video and share it with your friends who love to design with comic fonts. Thank you. Have a great day.